Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix WhatsApp SMS not send problem. If you are experiencing issue with sending SMS through WhatsApp on your phone, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the problem. Here is a tutorial to help you fix WhatsApp SMS not sending issue. Check internet connection. Ensure that your phone has a stable internet connection and WhatsApp relies on an internet connection to send messages. Verify WhatsApp setting. Open WhatsApp and tap on three vertical lines in the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on setting. In setting, tap on your name. Check if your phone number is correctly entered and the country code is accurate. Ensure that your phone number is verified. After that, update WhatsApp. For that, open the Google Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. If any update option is available, tap on update. Make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. Clear WhatsApp cache. For that, open the phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps, search for WhatsApp. In app info of WhatsApp, tap on storage. In the bottom you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. If none of the above steps or contact the WhatsApp support feature. For that, open the WhatsApp, tap on three vertical dots, tap on setting, scroll down, you can see here help, tap on it. In help, tap on contact us, describe your issue in the provided field. After that, tap on next. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.